So hello everyone, in this video we will see how can we find position vector of EFI, that is electric field intensity, which is at a point and due to another charge. Okay, so I'll explain you this by an example. So here we have an example about finding EFI at this particular point due to this microcoulomb charge, 10 microcoulomb charge. Okay, so in this question we have a point Q, means we have a point charge Q of 10 microcoulombs at this point, and it is asked EFI to us. So to calculate EFI, first we need to calculate the position vector between these 2 points, right? So see, since this is a positive charge and this will they will repel each other, so this will point radially outwards. So force due to this positive charge will be outside the field, means it will repel this force as it is also a positive charge, right? So see, like if as we draw this vector sign, so this is head of the vector and this is tail. I hope you all know this. This is tail and this is head of vector, right? So see, if I so this is some position vector r. Okay, this is a position vector, that is r. So we need to find this r to calculate EFI. Okay, so how can we calculate this r? So see, this the head is pointing towards this point and tail is pointing towards this particular point. So to calculate r, we subtract them, as we subtract head points. You should remember this by this: head points minus tail points, right? Or coordinates. So head coordinates are -3. Now we will use I cap, j cap and k cap. -3 I cap, -2 j cap and +1 k cap, right? So I am writing it here. Then we should subtract them. So minus tail, so 4 I cap +2 j cap -1 k cap, right? So after calculating this, we will get -7 I cap -4 j cap and +2 k cap. So this is our position vector r. So this is how you can calculate position vector r. Now we need to calculate EFI, right? So to find EFI, means electric field intensity, its formula is kq by r square, and in vector form, position vector r. Okay, since it's a random example, so we are not getting a satisfying value. You can find this value as satisfying when you will solve your NCERT questions or any other questions. They will give you a satisfying numerical integer. So this is how you can find this. Now put this in this formula and you will get this. Okay, and this plus charge is this, and this is unit vector. So what is unit vector? Unit vector is our position vector, that is this, upon our magnitude of position vector, that is √69. This is unit vector. Okay, so we should all substitute these values to this formula and we will get value of EFI. Okay, so you will get this value after doing this. So I hope you understood this. If you want an Hindi tutorial video of this, then please comment down and I'll make that for you. So till then, keep studying, keep growing. Thank you.